Hello and welcome back. My name is Mimi and I am here at a tiny home. This is going to be my home for the next 2 nights. I am so excited. I've got lots of really cool things planned. I'm going to do a lot of cooking, a lot of reading, a lot of relaxing, and I'm going to check out this beautiful property that I'm on, so it should be really good. I'm going to take you inside and we're going to check out the cabin. We've got a gas stove with a kettle, lovely view out here. Got utensils to cook with, got a nice bottle of wine, 6 pieces. We've got some cool cups, some wine glasses, games, which is really cool. We've got a collection of books up here, and these tiny cabins tend to have the same kind of books, but something I think that's so cool is it has this book, which is The Lion, the Witch and the Wardrobe, and the reason why it has this book is because this cabin is called Lucy, which is the main character of the book. Up here is a very cute little loft bed with a super cute window. Up here I reckon's the coolest place to sleep, but it's really hot, and I think because hot air rises it's gonna get really hot tonight, but we'll see how we go. Very cute, this little single bed up here. It doesn't seem like it, but it's about 7:30 and I am really hungry after a 3-hour drive here. So I'm gonna get cooking and make something for dinner. Tonight I'm gonna make a Caesar salad. I wanted something kind of light, healthy-ish to start my few days here. So I managed to finish cooking in time to still sit out here in the daylight, which is so cool. Most beautiful view over there. I'm gonna watch the sunset, or at least what I can see of the sunset. It's such a beautiful night. It is really warm. I can't believe it's almost 8:30 p.m. That's just really crazy. I haven't cooked for myself like solo, like just me, in so long, and yeah, I think I made way too much. I haven't been away by myself in about 4 years, which was when I went to the Snowy Mountains, and it's interesting. It's hard to get back into the rhythm of doing everything yourself, shopping for yourself, cooking for yourself, just one of you. So it's been an interesting challenge. I'm gonna pour myself a glass of wine and just enjoy the beautiful view while I eat this salad. It looks really good. I had some problems with the chicken. Chicken just wouldn't cook, and then I think it's a bit burnt, but what can you do? So I'm just going to read for a little bit before going to sleep, and I just wanted to talk about a book. This is by Bo Miles. Bo Miles is probably my all-time favourite YouTuber. He's also Australian. I found this book in a street library. It was right around the corner from where I lived, and I saw it one day. It was there for a couple of days, and every time I walked past it, it was still there, and I decided it was fate. So I took this book. So this is from This is from the local street library. People come in and they put books in and they take books back. He's a big runner. He does a lot of ultra marathons. Most of his videos are sort of quirky adventures, which I really love. Definitely go check out his channel if you haven't already. I'm gonna get ready for bed and I will see you guys in the morning. I'm not gonna lie, I had a really bad night's sleep. It is really hot, so I had to have the windows open, but I'm scared that someone's gonna look in the window, so I have the blinds down, and it was a really windy night. The blinds kept hitting the window frames, so every couple of minutes throughout the night I'd be woken up to a bashing. At about 2 a.m. I finally gave up and opened the blinds. Then at 5 a.m. A thunderstorm came through. It was crazy, it came out of nowhere, it was really bad. I had planned to get up at 6 a.m. but I fell back asleep, and when I woke up it was perfectly sunny and it was 9 a.m. Once I've had my coffee, I'm gonna go and have a little walk around the property, and then after that I'm gonna head into Bathurst. Might go check out a brewery there, pick up some beer for Rob, and maybe do a walk. We'll see how the weather is. It is supposed to be crazy hot, I think mid-30s Celsius, which is disgusting. We'll see how it all pans out. All right, let's go explore. This landscape, the pine trees, is not very common here in Australia, so it's really pretty. Just arrived at Reckless Brewery. I'm just gonna go pick up some takeaways, including something for Rob, and we're gonna come back and maybe find somewhere nice to go for a walk. I would eat here, but I feel a bit awkward about eating a meal at a bar by myself. I don't know, like, it shouldn't be awkward and weird, but I don't know. I got this cool stout for myself, and I got this lime and chili beer for Rob, so hope he likes them. You are my best friend, chill as the weekend, my all the time, partner in crime, always my last kiss, tastes like red licorice, we just love the birds and bees. Oh, look at lucky me singing. Hairstyle. I'm back. It is very hot. Just did some grocery shopping after walking around a park in Bathurst for a little bit. I am very tired right now. Even though I don't feel like I did that much today, I'm pretty wiped. I think for the next little bit, I'm probably just going to relax. I might do some editing. It's only 3:30. Still have most of the afternoon. I'm going to try to head back quite early tomorrow because I'm heading up to Lake Macquarie. So big day tomorrow, lots of driving. So I'm just going to take the opportunity to be chill. Maybe have that beer that I picked up at Reckless Brewery and just go from there.
Her father, a senator, agrees, but the family is shocked. Becomes a major point in the lives of the film's characters. So honestly, for the most part, Tiger Cruise is exactly what you people as a worthwhile political goal, and that's a shift that takes the entire movie. South African.
So given it's almost 5 o'clock now, I thought I would try the beer that I got. So I got this from Reckless Brewing, which is the brewery that I went to in Bathurst. It's a stout. Thought I'd give it a go. It's pretty good. So I had a little bit of chicken left over from salad yesterday, so I thought I'd use that. And I also got some noodles, so I'm gonna make kind of like a stir fry with some capsicum. Pretty good. I'll spice you. I made the same mistake as yesterday though. I feel like I've made enough for 2 people. It's hard. It's good meal though. So I've spent probably the last hour just watching YouTube videos. Just then I was watching Christian Schaefer, who along with Bo Miles, they're my 2 absolute favourite content creators. I went to Mount Shasta in 2023, pretty much based off just some shots she did in one of her videos because I thought that mountain was just stupidly ridiculous. It's this crazy massive mountain in Northern California in the US. It is 8:30, you can probably see the sun is starting to set. So what I'm probably going to do is just chill for the rest of the night. I have a big 3.5 hour drive, so thank you so much for watching. Thank you for coming along to this beautiful tiny home. It means the world to me. I love making these videos so much and I want to keep making them. So